All right, United Bill and Coin. Here's what we have today. What we're doing is we are looking today at a new kind, six of a kind. All right, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Six of a kind, six of one digit. We're looking at the high sevens, high zeros, and these are worth up to $100. All right, now if they've got a lot of eights and nines in them, it's going to be between $1 and $200. Now this is a lot because they're a bit more rarer. When you have the digits that take up a large number of the bills, it's going to end up being rarer. Now, let's go ahead and actually look at two examples that we actually have here today. Okay? All right. Now, let's look at them and see what we actually have. Bring this down a little bit more and then move it here. All right. This is beautiful. Now, let's look at the two examples that we actually have. We have here with a number of 74777787. Now, we have a quad here already, which is good. So we already know just by looking at the bill, how we identify it is it already has a quad. A quad is when we're looking at one of the same digit in consecutive error with four touching. Now, we also have a 7 on the end here and another 7 on the end here. So we actually have six. It's not six in a row, it's six of a kind. If it's six in a row, that means they're all touching. So this is six of a kind. Now, looking at the condition of the bill, I would give it a 5 out of 10. However, someone did write on this for some reason. Whoever's writing on American currency, you do need to get a noose. Okay, there's no reason to be writing on currency right now. Okay, that's just one thing. Now, we're also looking at what this will be worth. They're worth between $1 to $200. Okay, they're easily identifiable. This one is a quad itself. I would give this bill about $60 to $70 as it is right now. However, looking at the condition of the bill, it would go down to be a little bit less. You'll probably only get about $50 for it right now. Again, it is six of a kind. It is also a quad as well. You do have the condition and also someone wrote on it. Okay. So again, that's one set. Now let's look at the top one here. This one is very interesting. We have a 666676660. Now, when it actually comes to six of a kinds, sevens and zeros are good. We have a lot of sevens here. We have a 7 and we do have a 0. Now, we do have a quad. We have a quad of sixes separated by a 7 and then two sixes. So this bill might actually fetch you a good $75 if it was in better condition. Okay, now again, these are worth between $1 to $200. So let's go back at the chart and look at the end of it. Okay, six of a kinds as we see it are worth $1 to $200. Now this is good. I only have two of them. If I had more, yeah, it would be there. Okay, now we have a quad here and a quad here. This is very good. The bill itself is going to be worth a lot of money right now. I believe that, to be honest, I would say this bill might be worth more than this, even though you have a quad of sevens with an 8. This is a quad of sixes separated by a 7. And the condition of them, even though it's the same, this one may fetch you a bit more right now because the sixes are a bit closer. But again, that's just what I believe right now. I could be wrong. If you do have a question or you do believe that this one is worth more, this one has writing on it. Remember, so let me know in the comments if you which one you think is actually a bit more. Just scribble you think the top one is more, the bottom one. All right, like and follow. Have a great day.